Hey you guys, it's me, Ashley, and in today's video we're going to do the coolest mask in the whole world. We're going to do a mask mania! I got my Ninja Turtle shirt on, and I got my glitter mask. So, if you guys want to see this cool thing, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is the GlamGlow glitter mask. It is a gravity mud firming treatment. It is the same, I think, the same mask as the silver one, as the Power Rangers one, as the Sonic one. You know, we've tried all of them on this channel so far. So we're going to try this one too. Serious skincare, now in glitter. This firming mud mask treatment is fun and delivers serious skincare benefits. Firm, lift, tighten, and tone your skin for sexy looking and feeling contours. Like, I can't wait to feel my sexy contours. Can't wait. Stir before use if required. Apply a generous, even thin layer to clean skin with a brush, avoiding eyebrows and hairline. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Once completely dry, peel off from edges and rinse off excess with warm water. Use twice a week. Clean brush after use with soap and water. And air dry. Avoid eye area. Okay, let's get to it. Hello, sexy. Okay, so it comes with the sample guide of the original firming mask. This is what it looks like inside. Has a little brush and then the little pot. Looks like this. And the brush looks like this. I have the brush from the original one and it's purple. This is cute. It just looks expensive. Like, it's clear and crystal. It's soft. It feels like the other ones. So it gives us 3 things we can do while waiting for the mask to dry. We can watch an episode of our favorite TV show. We can throw a glitter party and dance around. Or we can take the perfect glitter selfie. So this is what we're going to do while we wait for it to dry, okay? Hope you're ready. So let's open this. It is hashtag glitter mask. So don't think I'm not going to be hashtagging that in my selfies. Look at that. It smells like the original. It really is glittery and pretty. It has stars. I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen this already. Let's not pour it out everywhere. How about? It looks like glitter slime. Let me get my mirror adjusted here. Make sure it's not in the bottom of the frame to aggravate anyone. And let's get to it. Ooh. I felt a glitter star stab me in the cheek. That's uncomfortable for sure. It didn't necessarily hurt, but I could definitely feel it stab me. Yeah, I can definitely feel the stars or something. Maybe they shouldn't have put stars in it because the little edges of the stars are pretty rough and they're definitely stabbing my face. They're not scratching me, I don't think, anyway, but I can definitely feel them. Like when they turn in the mask, like flip over and stuff, they're definitely stabbing me in the face. So maybe take the stars out, or give them gentler edges, not so pointy. Alright, now we have it on. Where's my phone? Here it is. It is now 4:36. You guys can't see that, but did you see my cute little family? It is now 4:36, so it says 20 to 30 minutes. Experience tells us it's going to be about an hour before I come back. because that's usually how long it takes. So what I'm going to be doing is watching an episode of my favorite TV show, having a glitter party and dancing around. And taking the perfect glitter selfie. So one thing I'm noticing that I don't remember so much about the other ones is my face feels extremely cold. Like extremely cold. And not just because it's 17 degrees outside today. This mask is super, super cooling. Like almost to the point of burning. It's so cold on my face. And the other ones I haven't experienced it to be this extreme before, so that's different. Alright guys, so it's been an hour, like I said it was going to be. I kind of fell asleep, but oh well, it's dry. Yep, it feels super rough to the touch, especially when I run my fingers over the stars. It's not all the way dry around the edges, I don't think. That one was a lot more vicious on my face than the other ones from GlamGlow usually are. I don't think they pull anything out, so. It still feels wet on the inside part of the mask, which is strange, because the outside was completely dry. And you can see all the little spots all over my face, which is also weird. I don't usually get that with the other masks, because once they're dry on the outside, they are also dry on the inside, so that's a little different. You can kind of see the little spots on here that aren't completely dry, which is quite possibly human error. It seems like where the bigger clusters of glitter are is where it dried the slowest, or is not dry at all yet. So it looks cool though, right? It doesn't look like a lot of glitter's left over. I can see, like, of course there is glitter, but most of it seems to be on actual parts of the mask that's left over on my face. The larger chunks of glitter, the larger glitter pieces, are a little harder to get off of my face. My face feels good. It feels like it did what it was supposed to do. It feels firmer. It feels plumper. So that's good. I don't know. Do I have sexy contours? I have glitter. So, yeah, I mean, as to be expected, it definitely reminds me of the original formula, other than the glitter, obviously. The glitter makes it to where it doesn't dry consistently throughout, and I hate when masks don't dry consistently throughout. You know, I understand that there's always that human error where I'll have a more thicker spot on one side, or little spots where it's not all the way smooth and even. Of course, that's going to happen. That's going to happen with any mask I do. But I noticed that with this one, the glitter clusters underneath each of the spots where there were more glitter spots, like more glitter pieces, it didn't dry with like the rest of it did. And I also noticed that the outside to the touch was dry, but once I peeled it up, there was tons of spots on the inside that weren't dry all the way. And you guys, it is 5:46. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see 5:46. It's literally been an hour. So an hour and 20 minutes actually. So for it not to be all the way dry is crazy. I like the GlamGlow masks. I say this in all of my GlamGlow videos. I like all the gravity mud treatments. I think they're cool. I think the glitter in it is pretty. I mean, it's cool and all for pictures. I'll probably never post another picture, you know, because I mean, it's only fun once. I mean, I guess it could be fun a bunch of times, but it is only awesome once. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that makes any sense. I'm just rambling. I like it. I'll use it again, but it's no different than the other ones. So, I mean, it's only, the only, like, wow factor about it is the glitter. I mean, I got some really good reactions from my family, and I think that that could be cool for you. So, if you wanted to get some glitter reaction. It gives a little bit extra to your skincare routine. You know, it's fun to do. It feels pretty cool. A lot of the videos that I've seen say that they like to keep their glitter and their skincare separate. I don't think that's a big deal. That's just me. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I would highly appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. They will all be linked down below. Have you guys tried this mask? Would you try this mask? Do you think that glitter and skincare should be separate, or is it a big deal to you at all? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel with your notifications on so you don't miss anything from me in the future, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
What you expect, but you're not coming home with me tonight.